What are you doing?
I think.
There is two kids here playing a basketball near in the rooster. You play na. Hold. Picture mama. Video mama.
Hi everyone.
What mama doing?
Bola.
You video mama.
Huh?
What?
Ano mo mama?
Video mama. Shoot that. You video mama.
Sander playing bola.
Huh?
Sander na play bola.
What is this? What is this?
Rainbow bola.
What about this one?
Basket. Hi everyone. Welcome to Hello.
Did you on that one?
Oh, hi everyone.
I'm doing video with mama.
Bakit ka? Picturean ko. Ayun ka.
Tuk! Uy, tuk! Gabriel, you tuk!
Hi everyone. Welcome to channel. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Dara. Dara mama.
That's my videographer. Oh, camera. Hi!
Hi.
Who am I? Where are we right now?
Swing.
We're in the swing. Hold it nicely.
Sunday sa.
Who is that?
Sunday. Ikaw sa. Mama.
Hold! Hi!
Dada. Lang. Diba, ikaw? Hi everyone. Welcome to channel.
What are you doing?
I like this horse.
Karang video.
I'm there.
Hold it nicely. Hold it.
Hi everyone. We go. Hi everyone.
Sige na.
Ay, ang Sunday.
Sige na.
Hi everyone. Welcome to channel.
What are you doing right now?
I watch Sunday.
You watch Thunder? Okay, you do video.
Ikaw.
Yourself.
Dali.
Say hi.
Hi. Lamok.
Oh, mosquito.
Tiga. May kayo mana. Asa ko? Dapit. Asa ko dapit. Asa ko natango. Asa naman ko tago. Asa na. Video. Hi everyone. Ane, hi everyone. Welcome to channel. Hi. Balon, nambal. Nami balon. Asa dapit. Asa dapit. Asa dapita. Asa dapita sisaw. My expanded.
What is that?
Expanded sisaw. Expanded sisaw, everyone. And then what are you doing? What are you doing? This. Uy. Sander. Dako, ade. Tumbako.
Hi.
Hi.
Ay! What are you eating?
Eating
Eating what?
noodles.
Say hi, guys.
I got what? I don't like eating noodles.
You're not eating noodles. Is that a noodles?
Awa. Ala noodles. Let's go. Ow.
Eat na.
Narigudapit naman.
Eat na.
Banana, daddy kami.
Oh, use your spoon na. Basta.
Madami!
No, sande. Eat kuya gab-gab.
Oh, yatin tumba.
Sige na.
Baba yatin na tumba.
Apit na mo man niya.
Ay! Ay! Tumba. Tumba siya. Nagtama dyan siya. Yuyo. Ay! Gab! Tawag Gab! Tawag.
Hi.
Ay.
We are going to cook a tinola with papaya and now the water is inside boiling, and also Janjan is cleaning the papaya because we're gonna put it we're gonna put it in a tinola. Look at the shirt of Janjan. It's ripped. It's ripped already. That's what he loved. And you cannot say na don't wear that one because he loved that wear. He loved that to wear. If he is just in the house. This is the papaya that we're gonna put in the tinola, and also we're gonna cook a tinola chicken because it's been a week since we're just eating a vegetable, and now Janjan is sacrificing his chicken just to eat chicken. Let's go on.
Chicken oma.
It's been a week since we eat vegetables, and Janjan he killed his chicken just to eat chicken because Gab Gab is asking a chicken. He want to eat chicken.
Putol na yung sili?
It's papaya. Yes, it's papaya. Cut the papaya into pieces, or it's like a cube, because that's we're gonna put in the tinola and with chili. We miss chicken. Sponsor chicken, guys. So that we will not kill the chicken of Janjan. Dada chicken. It's your chicken. We are using a rice cooker just to boil the water so that this rice cooker will not be broken. And also we put a water, a lemongrass, and a chili just so that the soup will be more delicious with chicken and papaya. That's the ingredients, and also a seasoning, which is salt, and I think we're gonna put a MSG Jan is pouring the papaya so that will be cooked.
Eat first.
Because later we're gonna put the chicken, because the chicken is just too small. It will be easier to cook, and it's still baby chicken. That's the only chicken that he will sacrifice. Our tinola is almost cooked, so we're gonna... I don't know if Jan put already that chicken. I only know that she put the vegetables. What Gab going? He bring one of... Jan transferred the soup into a big thing, or the big one, because is it a big casserole, or I don't know, it's caldero, we call it caldero here. I don't know what's the English of that, because if it's kaha, that's pan, and that one I don't know what's the English of that. He transferred because that's a big one, and is that the rice cooker, it's not really big, it's kind of like a little bit small. That's malunggay. You're gonna put it in the tinola. Shout out to Lee, and I think it's Lee and King, right, Jan? Shout out to Lee and King who sent a money to my PayPal. My PayPal is now active because I submit a document so that it can be active.
Ikaw ng tata dyan.
Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Jan. Sa kandian. Your sa tawag fans.
May savior.
May savior ako.
Beli ka.
This is the small chicken that I will put in the... Unsa gadan? Caldero? This one. This is small chicken. With this one. The liver and the...
I don't know. Tarungan natin. Tarungan natin. Ipailaw ba? Idotad sila. Sakto na good to. Ano? Ay, naukaya. Kaya di mo na maukay.
This is how you cook tinola. Tinola. Whole chicken because it's just small.
This letter.
To make it more healthier. The chicken that we put, it's a native, no? It's a native chicken, not the chicken that we buy in the market. It's a native chicken. The chicken of Jan, the small chicken. He sacrificed that one so that we can eat. The salt and MSG. Later we're gonna eat. He put the malunggay now. That's the last ingredients or vegetable that he will put in it. It's almost done. Ching! The chef cook. He asked me that he won't trade the horse. Because he's a good man daw.
Gikuha tanan eh.
Sorry. Ikat lang na siya ron.
Karon do ka pa to ah.
Oh!
Dagana ng plato ah.
Let's eat.
Ay, wala! Ay,
Mm.
chicken!
Tayo.
Show.
Ay, chicken!
Asang atay?
Mami, should anda.
It's chicken.
Mami, should and chicken. Rice in kubunga in and rice in kubunga.
Tingnan na. Hi guys, let's eat.
And eating.
Say hi guys.
It's
Let's eat.
party eating.
Oh, say hi guys. Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Kus galaw dir.
Let's go eat, everyone. Mama, party eating.
Party eating.
Inayaw, ibang init. Di kan po nagkatar.
Is it delicious or not?
Delicious.
Who cook?
Dada mama.
Thank you.
Dada mama. Asa ko tubig? Ha?
Uy ba?
Ayaw, itrapos mo sa nina.
Wala, napo. Wala.
Padulay.
That's what good, ma.
Padulay mo plato, aron din na manayabo doon.
Ma? Ano ni?
Check.
Ow.
Labang no?
Huwag mo na yun yung sini.
It's papaya. I miss chicken gab.
You miss what chicken?
Do you miss chicken? Huh?
Oh,
You miss chicken?
Guys, mine is head and neck.
Head and neck.
Head neck.
man. Awa sa alawa.
Head.
Okay, magnimu ko ha. Ako kuha si Mama kuha si Elsan.
Unsa English tail?
Mama,
What's the English? Fit.
wakil.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Awu.
I-off na ko, ha?
Yeah.
Guys, after eating guys, si wife da sanay the table.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're cleaning.
After eating, she cleaned that always.
Lolo, lantay.
Isa na ganan?
Lolo.
Lolo.
Lalo.
Pero nga. Hi guys, be. Hoy. Diyan. Hi guys, kuno be. Hi guys, ba? Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Work, gab.
Cleaning.
Clean ha? Let me see. Hey guys, it's already clean guys. Cleaning by... What is your name?
Younger. Seven Princess Adrigo.
How old are you?
High school.
Hans, pila? Ay, padol. How ma... Count.
Elsa. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay.
See?
Alam ko sila nga tagakon. May lamara. Bossing sa mo oy. Mana? Alam mo ka na?